Take command of the road in the 2013 BMW X3. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle is constructed with a discerning driver in mind. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. BMW prioritized comfort and style by including a leather steering wheel, front dual-zone air conditioning, a power liftgate, and power seats. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.